Vanilla berry chia seed pudding recipe. Yield 2 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Total time 10 minutes excluding gelling time. Ingredients: chia pudding. 1 cup 250 ml plant-based milk, coconut, soy, almond. 3 tablespoons 45 grams chia seeds. 1/4 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon optional. Ingredients: add-ins. 1/2 cup 125 grams plant-based yogurt, I used soy yogurt. 1/2 65 grams cup homemade granola or use store-bought. 1 tablespoon 15 ml maple syrup optional. Fresh fruit of your choice, I used strawberries, blueberries and peach. Directions. 1. In a medium bowl, gently whisk together plant milk, chia seeds and vanilla, then let it stand for 10 minutes before giving it another stir to redistribute the settled seeds. Then cover and refrigerate for 2 hours, or overnight, to allow the chia seeds to gel. 2. When ready to serve, give it one more stir before topping with plant-based yogurt, fresh fruit and granola, or other toppings of your choice. Enjoy! Notes. 1. Variations. Try it with different plant-based milks to see which flavor you like best, such as coconut milk, almond milk, or soy milk. Add in about 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder if you like it a little chocolate white. For some zest, add orange juice or orange zest to the seeds before refrigerating. Try different fruits like banana, mango or kiwi. As you can see, this is a very versatile recipe. 2. Storage. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.